A treasure in lovely Quail Run, this condo offers an open-concept floor plan and 3 bedrooms, 2 of them are large ensuites. The main level has a large kitchen West Prep Island/breakfast bar that flows seamlessly into dining and living areas. Vaulted ceilings and expansive windows fill the home with natural light and beautiful vistas. The main level primary has double entry doors, generous closets, a spa-like bath West whirlpool tub, walk-in shower and private water closet. An office/bedroom and powder room complete the main level. The second large ensuite bedroom is downstairs with a fully finished family room and complete laundry room West new washer/dryer. The home also has a 3-car attached garage West abundant closet storage, a full backup generator and a large deck overlooking a scenic landscape. Additionally, the deck has a retractable sun awning. The first floor primary bedroom has double door entry and private water closet. The washer and dryer are new this year. The 3-car